Do you want to add filter on Instagram story? You can apply a filter to Instagram story photo with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a filter on an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen or swipe right from your feed to open the story camera. Now, take a new photo or choose one from your gallery to use as your story background. Once the content is added, swipe left or right on the screen to change and apply filters. Each swipe will apply a new filter effect to your story. You can also tap on the effects icon at the top of the screen to explore additional filters and effects. After selecting the filter you like, you can still add text, stickers, music, or drawings to customize your story. When you're ready, tap on your story or close friends to share it.